Introducing the PITAKA New Wallet, the first modular, fast-access carbon fiber wallet with RFID blocking and anti-degaussing feature. Nobody likes bulky, uncomfortable wallets. That's why we designed PITAKA. The modular design gives you the opportunity to customize your wallet based on your current situation. You can decide from different modules what you want to bring. The carbon fiber design is super strong with stunning good looks. It's ultra slim, compact, and easily fits in any pocket or purse. With its cool and clever design, you can easily get access to your items with a quick flick of the wrist. Designed more than for cards, PITAKA can hold all your daily essentials: cash, keys, coins, SD cards, and much more. Just play with it, and within seconds, add or remove modules based on what you want to take for the day. Besides the stunning design, PITAKA is 100% RFID blocking, and it will keep all your cards secure and safe from the risks of card hacking. PITAKA New Wallet is the world's first of its kind with a special anti-degaussing module. It will prevent the magnetic strip cards degaussing, as seen in many other wallets. We use the best carbon fiber material to design PITAKA, and the body itself is tough enough for even more amazing things. You can use it as a screwdriver and bottle opener. Slim, strong, secure, and safe. That's PITAKA New Wallet. Join us, and together, let's put a PITAKA New Wallet into everyone's pocket.
These days, you only need to carry a few things, so why lug around a massive wallet? That's why we invented SlimFold. By designing a wallet around today's modern everyday carry, we drastically reduce bulk while maximizing functionality. The soft-shell material further reduces thickness. Think of it as a cross between Gore-Tex and Kevlar. The sophisticated matte finish has a slight texture for the perfect amount of grip. Soft-shell is much more durable than leather and stays looking new for years. It's even waterproof and machine washable. The micro-size layout allows you to organize up to 8 cards while still being 2 to 3 times thinner than traditional wallets. Inside, you'll find an ID window and precision-cut card slots to keep them organized. Then, behind where the bills go, there's space for additional cards. Select the RFID blocking option to protect your information from being stolen at a distance. Since 2009, SlimFold has led the minimalist wallet revolution. We've now delivered over 100,000 wallets to customers in more than 70 countries. Our products are still made in USA, and we stand behind this wallet with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. The best way to find out if this is the perfect wallet for you is to experience it for yourself. Put your cards in it, and you'll feel the difference right away.
Meet Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Tile Slim is as thin as 2 credit cards, which makes it perfect for wallets, pockets, and passports. Attach it to anything. Choose a ringtone with the Tile app. And then rest easy, knowing you can always find your things. Just ring your laptop and find it fast. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Get Tile Slim today and never worry about losing your wallet again. Tile. Find what matters.
When you're busy, there are just too many important items to remember. That's why there's TrackR Pixel, the coin-sized device that can make any item unlosable. Simply attach TrackR Pixel to any item you'd like to track. Pair it with the TrackR app, and you'll be able to quickly find it. Running late and can't find your keys? Use the TrackR app to make them ring. Can't find the TV remote? Use the TrackR app to make it light up. And when you can't find your phone, with the touch of a button, TrackR Pixel will ring it for you even on silent mode. With TrackR, your search is over.